The Ezviz app's 360-degree picture feature allows users to capture and view panoramic images using their Ezviz cameras. This feature not only provides a comprehensive view of an area but also lets users interact with the captured image by pointing to specific locations. When you select a point in the panoramic view, the camera will automatically pan and tilt to focus on that spot. We have tested this feature with the Ezviz H9C dual lens camera. To enable this feature, open the Ezviz app and select the H9C camera. From there, navigate to the pan and tilt lens channel to access the 360-degree picture option. Click the Take 360 Picture option to capture a panoramic view of your location. This process will take a moment, and the picture will be stored directly in the app. Once captured, you can drag the image left and right to view all areas of the location. You can point to specific areas in the picture to easily surveil your surroundings, and the pan and tilt lens will move to that pointed area, showing the live activity and allowing for precise control and enhanced surveillance. Note, this feature will work on the rotatable channel only, and even if the app is rebooted, the same panoramic picture will still be available for use. You can also delete an existing picture and retake a new panoramic view using the Reset the 360-degree picture option. If you found this video useful, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us create more informative content and enables us to continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether through liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support is greatly appreciated. Thank you.